another Kayla's Rainbow video. I can do that. Hello guys, and welcome to another Kayla's Rainbow video. Today we are doing Christmas trees, and I have a special guest here. My Grandma June came for Thanksgiving. Yeah. I'm not sure which way it goes.
You like?
If you are a new viewer, please make sure to subscribe and like. And if you're an old viewer, thanks for coming back. And make sure to come every Friday, because every Friday I'm posting new videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So we are doing a Dollar Tree craft, as you know, and everything on this table is from the Dollar Tree except the 2 glue guns we have and our glue sticks, but you are going to need them. You're also going to need 16 pieces of the red ornaments from the Dollar Tree. Ours are multicolored. And we got 5 of these between the 2 of us. You might only need 2 or 3, we don't know. We're winging it. The Christmas trees that we got for $1, they already have tinsel on them. People are adding tinsel to the ones online, and these already have tinsel on them, so we're doing that. And then here we have little bows to top our trees. So yes, let's get started. Thanksgiving's over.
Yes.
Moving on.
It's official Christmas time.
Ooh, it's hot.
Ooh, imagine that. It's a hot glue gun being hot, huh?
Hot. Ooh, that's not good. I wouldn't mind if Christmas just lasted forever.
That was fun.
That was